with the UNB REDS or dogs? Let's find out. So, it ended well. It ended with nothing more about a 2028 University Cup win and a 2027 USPORTS Women's Ice Hockey Championship win. First title, woohoo! You can watch these tournaments in real life. They just won't be the same as the fictional versions. Plus, on the positive side, UNB will probably make history And you can watch the UNB REDS hopefully win the 2028 University Cup and hopefully win their first women's hockey title. Well, in Fredericton in March 2027 and 2028 at the Aiken University Center. More information is available on Wikipedia and will come out soon. If you really want more information on this event, you'll have to email UNB Regulation or call the AUC box office for more info. These photos aren't the official ones, as USPORTS hasn't released them yet. These are just fan-made. But still, if anyone is excited to watch the 2028 University Cup and the 2027 USPORTS Women's Hockey Championship, and remember for the Women's Hockey Tournament, March of 2027. I don't know when in March 2027, just March 2027. And for the men's tournament, the University Cup, March of 2028. To the on, and I'll see you all later. To the on. Also, we forgot to mention that this is an ad for UNB and USPORTS.